Beer Master, this is part 2 on water coming into the Mazda CX7. We've already eliminated that there's no sunroof ports because there's no sunroof. The door's shut good. The window is sealed. We showed in the first video, part 1, how to check that. And we've come down to that it's this line between here under this vent panel to down there is clogged, so we took the wipers off. Now we're going to take the cowl vent panel off, and we're going to clean that area out and try to clean that port out. Over here. All right, get that freed up. You can see this pocket in here fills up, and there's the drain. Put a little light on this. Maybe we can get some light. I don't know, but if you look in that corner there, there's a little hole. See that dark spot right in there, all against the firewall? That's completely clogged with debris. So all that water's supposed to run down there, go through there into a port and out there. So that is really clogged. I like to use a blow gun, air gun to blow it out, or some weed whacker, thick weed whacker line, and run it through. What I'll do is I'll fill this up with water, and then we'll see if it doesn't go down. Then we try to clear it out, and if it goes down, we got a problem solved. Anyway, I got some real thick weed whacker string. I reamed it down there in that corner hole. Nothing stopped it. Then I went down there. I tried to ream it in that port, but I couldn't, so I got the blow gun, stuck it in that port, and blew it real hard, and then all of a sudden the water started coming out. And I got the hose, filled this cavity here, and then it was coming out the bottom, so we know that was the problem. Joe Beer Master, your problem solver. Please subscribe, share this with a friend. It does help our channel, and very important information that people need. Thank you.